Hello everyone, it's Shonie and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been giving me. I have also noticed that some of you have been doing some recreations of my look and you've been sending it to me, and that's so great. And a lot of you have been asking when I'm being posting another video again. So here I am back again with another video for you guys. So definitely let me know if you enjoyed this one as well. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a smoky halo eye, a really smoked out halo eye. But first I'm gonna be filling in my brows, and then I'm gonna be cleaning it up with some concealer. The concealer that I will be cleaning my brows up with is gonna be the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color FAWN. Sure that I blend that concealer really good. I'm using a Morphe brush to make sure that the concealer is blended really good into the skin. I really don't like that line that you can see sometimes if your concealer isn't blended really well around the eyebrows. So making sure that I blend that really good. Really see. Priming the eyes with the same concealer we use to clean up the brows, and then we're gonna apply some eyeshadow. This is from the Tartelette
Show
palette.
yeah,
That's the shade
Smoke Show.
And we're gonna apply the color Smoke Show in both the outer V of the eye and the inner corner of the eyes, and then we're gonna blend that out with the Morphe. But this is the Morphe 506 brush. I'm gonna blend it out with the Morphe brush. So to get a really great smoked out look, the key is to blend, 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 blend. So to get that really smoked out look, I'm going to be adding more of that same color and blend as I go. To get that faded gradient look and dimension. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye off camera. Take that same concealer and we're gonna run it on the center of the lid to remove any color. And just tapping the concealer in to diffuse it gently. Now I'm just gonna be blending out the edge of the eyeshadow so that everything looks really graded and faded and just perfect. Now I'm just gonna be adding some Ardell. I didn't want to add it a full strip lash, so I decided just to add a few of the Ardell singles instead. I'm just finishing off the look by adding some foundation. Then I'm gonna add some concealer. I'm using that same concealer in the color Fawn. Then I'm gonna blend that out, and then I'm gonna use my favorite Nye powder to set the concealers. All areas I put concealers in, I'm gonna set it with that powder, and then I'm just gonna do a bit of contour, a little bronzing with the Nye dark powder. I don't remember the exact name, but all the products that I've used or I'm using right now, I'm gonna be listing it in the description box below, just in case you guys want to know what I'm using. You can check the description box below.